When Adam and Eve sinned in the Garden of Eden, the Bible says after they ate the fruit of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, they looked at themselves and they realized they were naked. And the Bible says that they were ashamed. And you know what they did? They covered themselves with leaves to hide their nakedness. Let me tell you what had happened. We always talk about how they ate from the tree, the fruit tree of the knowledge of good and evil. But you know, those words, the knowledge of good and evil, is very specific. It means something. You see, because they had eaten from that tree, Satan told Eve, he said, if you eat from the tree, you will be like God and you'll be able to know things that you should know. It was a trap. You know, there are people who are going around saying that Satan was only trying to enlighten us, that he was actually a good guy, that God was trying to hide knowledge from us. Listen, that knowledge, I wish they had hidden it. But the devil didn't tell them is that knowing the difference between good and evil means you can be judged for doing evil. Because see, every time you do evil, every time you do it, it is a choice.